Shanghai Success Hydraulics Company Limited, located in Songjiang District, Shanghai, the heart of the Yangtze River Delta's G60 Science and Technology Innovation Corridor, is a premier distributor for both Sun Hydraulics and Hydroforce. Since its founding in 2003 with 45 Chinese yuan million in registered capital, the company has grown into a national-level high-tech enterprise and a specialized, refined, distinctive, and innovative, little giant, champion. At the production front, Success Hydraulics pioneered the deployment of flexible manufacturing systems, FMS, integrating horizontal and vertical machining centers, CNC lathes, and mill-turn compound machines for highly automated single-piece and small-batch manufacturing. With measurement system analysis, MSA, and advanced product quality planning, APQP, every step, from design through process definition to shop floor execution, is tightly controlled to guarantee consistent part quality. Our fully integrated ERP, digital work orders, and smart attendance systems dynamically adjust production schedules by order priority, ensuring 365-day high utilization and stable, high-quality delivery. Innovation is the cornerstone at Success Hydraulics. We have built a comprehensive technology platform covering hydraulic component R&D, valve block machining, system integration, and wind turbine maintenance services. In the wind power sector, we pioneered China's indigenous development of multi-megawatt hydraulic power systems, breaking long-time foreign monopolies. Simultaneously, addressing the new energy vehicle market, we are investing heavily in battery-assisted hydraulic modules, hydrogen-powered hydraulic units, and high-performance electro-hydraulic proportional servo control systems to meet the demands of future intelligent and green mobility.